expected to find the unknown value x. The number on the left-hand side is in base x, which we are asked to find, while the number on the right-hand side is in base 2. The strategy is to convert both sides to base 10. So we do that by expansion. So let's get straight off into the solution. Solution. That's the short way of writing solution. So we have 3, 4, base x on the left-hand side equals 1 in 5 places. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 in base 2 on the right-hand side. Now the strategy is by expansion. So we follow the expansion process by writing exponents from 0 towards the left. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And of course, on the other side, 0 and 1. Now we begin the process, expansion. Each digit will be taken, multiplied by the given base, raised to the power of the number written on top of that digit. Therefore, we have on the left-hand side, 3, the first digit is taken, multiplied by the base x, raised to the power of the number written on top of 3, which is 1, plus, we proceed with the next digit, 4, multiplied by the base x, written to the power the number written on top of 4, which is this 0 right there, and do the same thing for the right-hand side. So this is going to be 1 multiplied by the base 2, raised to the power the number written on top of 1, which is 4, then plus the next digit, which is 1, multiplied by the base 2, raised to power the digit written on it, which is 3. We'll take the next digit, plus 1, multiplied by the base 2, raised to the power digits written on it, which is 2 here. That's it, 2 there, of course. And then we take the next digit. Next digit is 1, multiplied by the given base 2, raised to the power the number written on that digit, which is 1. And finally, we can take the last digit, 1 still, multiplied by the given base, the base 2, raised to the power of the digits written on it, which is 0. All right, the pattern is complete. Now we evaluate each of the units. We'll start from the power area and then multiply by the given constant number. So this is x to the power 1, which is x, and now x multiplied by 3 gives us 3x. The next area, x to the power 0, according to the law of indices, any number to the power 0 gives 1. That 1 resulting multiplied by 4. So we have plus 4. All of this equals now the expansion of the right-hand side. Let's go each unit. From the power area, 2 to the power 4 gives us 16. And 16 multiplied by 1 gives us 16 still. Plus the next 2 to the power 3 gives us 8. 8 multiplied by 1 is 8. Plus the next one, 2 to the power 2 gives us 4. And 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. Plus 2 to the power 1. Any number to the power 1 is itself 2. 2 multiplied by 1 gives us 2. And finally, the last area, any number to the power 0 is 1. So we have 1 here, 1 multiplied by 1. And we have the final 1. Now we can add up everything on the right-hand side. And that will give us 3x plus 4 equals, we add up all of this. 16 plus 8 is 24. 24 plus 4, that's 28. 28 plus 2, 30. 30 plus 1 gives us 31. And now we saw this is a linear equation resulting. Let us subtract 4 from both sides so that we can have the term in x left on the left-hand side. So let us subtract 4 from 31. So we have 31 minus 4. And that gives us 3x equals 31 minus 4 gives us 27. And now we want to divide both sides by 3. So we divide the left-hand side by 3 to set the x free. We divide the right-hand side also by 3. That means 3 gives way. 3 checks 1 into 27 9 times. 3 divides into 27 9 times. And now we have x equals 9. Our final answer. This is very simple. That would be the option D right there. All right. Now, attached to this video are two quizzes to test your understanding of the content of this video. Please take the quizzes and click on your answer. There is also an explanation to each answer. Next, there is a test on number basis attached to the pinned comment. So by clicking the link in the pinned comment, you can test your mastery of the topic number basis or your understanding of the topic number basis by taking the test. 30 questions to be taken in 30 minutes. And finally, you have the link, another link in the pinned comment that takes you to the full analysis of the topic number basis if you intend to learn the topic from beginning to the end. All right, thank you for being part of this session, and I will see you in my next video.